how to use maps.me. Now in this quick video, I'll show you how to get started on maps.me. Of course, the first thing that you want to have to do is to pull up your app store. If you're using Google Play, then you can go ahead and pull it up. Now look for maps.me, and then this is going to be the application we're looking for. It's just going to be offline maps GPS. Make sure to download this specific application and not other apps. Now, once you've successfully downloaded it, once you open it, you will be asked to turn on your location. And as you can see right here, it will automatically detect your location and it will recommend you to download the current map on where you're located. Take note that you can only get 10 free maps um, while using this specific app. So above is your layers. These are your layers which you can use for 3D buildings, for highways, subways, tourism, and so on and so forth. Now I'm going to go ahead and go into the important parts of this application here. Below is the search box. This is where you can search for hotels, groceries, sites, or Wi-Fi, or the specific address where you would like to go. Now next is your route. Once you successfully locked in the location where you're going, you just need to follow that specific arrow that will be pointed onto your screen. And that's it. Those are just the basic parts on using maps.me.